What if I told you, the best home EV charger in 2025 isn't from Tesla or ChargePoint? Electric plug high voltage. After testing the top 5 models, the winner charges faster, costs less, and has a game-changing feature nobody is talking about. Wanna slash your charging costs? Stick around, the results will shock you. All purchase links? Check the description. Let's plug in. Number 1. HomeFlex Level 2 EV Charger. ChargePoint builds reliable, flexible EV charging stations for home, business, and fleets. Get 24/7 support and access to hundreds of thousands of North American charging locations. Charge smart. With the user-friendly ChargePoint mobile app, you can control your electric car charger, manage reminders, connect to smart home devices, find stations, get data and charging info, and access the latest features. Vast network. Wherever you go, ChargePoint's network includes 274K plus stations across North America and Europe and 565K plus roaming partner stations. Safe and durable. Rely on this UL-certified EV charger for safe home charging. It can be installed indoors or outdoors by an electrician and includes a cold-resistant cable. Number 2. Emporia Classic Level 2 EV Charger. The Emporia electric vehicle charger provides up to 46 miles per hour charging speed via hardwired connection, 48 amp up to 9x faster than a standard wall outlet, or up to 38 miles per hour via the Nema plug, 40 amp. Versatile installation options. Pre-configured for Nema Type 14-50P compliant with 2017 NEC Section 625.17 for up to 40A or convert to hardwired for up to 48A. Professional installation recommended for optimal safety and performance. Safety, certification, and peace of mind. UL listed and Energy Star certified, meeting stringent standards, NEC 625, SAE J1772, UL 817, UL 991, UL 2231, UL 2251, and UL 2594. Get the benefits of smart charging. Connect via 2.4 GHz Wi-Fi to access real-time energy data and manage charging from your mobile device. Schedule charging sessions to optimize utility rates and performance. Number 3. Tesla J1772 Wall Connector. Don't own a Tesla? The company's wall connector is still a great EV charging option for your home. In addition to its rapidly endorsed NACS plug, Tesla also offers its home charging unit with the J1772 plug that most other EVs currently use. Connecting to a non-Tesla EV simply requires an adapter. The wall connector's sleek shape and glass-like clear top layer make it the most visually appealing charger tested. The setup process for the wall connector is simple. Just scan the QR code on the side of the unit to connect to Wi-Fi, then set the output limit through a web-based interface. Although the wall connector is capable of almost the highest output of the devices tested by the Gear team, 48 amps or 11.5 kilowatts, it also has the thinnest cables. They're easy to wrangle, but will the small diameter affect long-term durability? Number 4. Grizzl-E Duo Level 2 Plug-in EV Charger. Grizzl-E Duo is a long-awaited dual-port plug-in EVSE designed to charge 2 electric cars at the same time. Comes with 2 J1772 24-foot premium charging cables. UL certified. Made in Canada with a heavy-duty Nema 4 indoor-outdoor rated metal enclosure to withstand the harshest weather conditions. Compatible with all EVs and PHEVs sold in North America. Fast 240V Level 2 charging and adjustable amperage, 40A, 32A, 24A, 16A. Intelligent power sharing to maximize available current between 2 cars. Provides up to 10 kilowatts to one vehicle. IP67 water-resistant, fire-resistant Nema 4 aluminum cast enclosure. Overcurrent, overvoltage, undervoltage, missing diode, ground fault, and over-temperature protections. Error monitoring for both chargers. Number 5. Lectron Nema Socket Splitter. This Lectron Nema socket splitter has a Nema 14-50 inlet plug, a Nema 14-50 primary socket, and a Nema 14-50 secondary socket. Not compatible with Tesla chargers. Charge more conveniently. This Lectron EV power splitter lets you use one outlet to power your level 2 EV charger and high-powered appliance, washer, dryer, etc., eliminating the need to install a second high-powered Nema outlet in your home. No installation cost. This Lectron outlet splitter saves you money by avoiding the high cost of installing another high-powered Nema outlet to handle your EV charger. Safety and reliability assured. The Nema 14-50 splitter prioritizes safety with its ETL certification and built-in safeguards against overvoltage, overcurrent, and short circuits. So, which EV charger would you install at home? Drop a comment below, I read them all. If this video saved you money, smash that like button, share it with fellow EV owners, and subscribe for more tech that saves you cash. All product links are in the description. See you in the next one. Happy charging!